Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View looking at the week ahead. A pretty straightforward early springtime forecast this week as high pressure stays nearby and will drag in some drier air, which will mean more in the way of sunshine across most places. Monday still has a chilly feeling easterly breeze across England and Wales, light winds across Scotland. There'll be fairly cloudy skies still at this point, with some patchy cloud drifting over higher tops at times. Best of sunshine on Monday to be found towards the north and northwest of Scotland and nearer to western coast in England and Wales, but with time through the afternoon more sunshine should develop from the east over the Pennines. Temperatures staying near to freezing point over the high tops at this stage. Things are set to get milder though as the air comes up from the Mediterranean during the middle of the week. A windier day on Tuesday for England and Wales, particularly gusty across the Welsh mountains on Tuesday. Breezier too across Scotland, and temperatures just starting to nudge up just above freezing point towards higher slopes. Still some frost overnight in sheltered spots in the valleys and the glens onwards into midweek. Lots of sunshine through Tuesday daytime and Wednesday daytime, with barely too much in the way of cloud in the sky. Lighter winds on Wednesday. The isobars open out somewhat more again by this stage, and temperatures drift up a touch higher, just a couple of degrees or so above freezing towards higher slopes, particularly onwards into the afternoon. Thursday still has fairly high pressure. It's a dry weather story that continues. Again, maybe just a gusty southeasterly breeze developing, particularly over Wales. Elsewhere, the wind fairly light and lots more sunshine and temperatures feeling pleasantly warm by this stage. Later in the week, subtle differences just as high pressure begins to pull away a bit further eastwards, starting to allow the risk of some bursts of showery rain to push up from the near continent, and that could just be a theme that takes us into the weekend. For many places though, Friday still looks to be a dry day, just a stronger south-southeasterly wind a bit more widely by this time. Low pressure circulating slowly around the Bay of Biscay will start to push some areas of rain northwards. A lot of uncertainty on the detail of that at this stage into the weekend. Areas of rain may be fairly patchy, but the odd heavier burst not ruled out at this time. Again, particularly further south and southwest over England and Wales onwards into the weekend. I think the idea of more cloud and the risk of rain has got to be in the weekend forecast at this time, but high pressure toward the north shows some signs of trying to build back in again, and that low will just pull away back over the continent. So the longer range forecast could still be a largely dry story onwards into late March, particularly across Scotland. Risk of showers greater further southwards for a time. Temperatures throughout this time looking fairly mild, although we might just go a bit cooler again before the end of the month if the wind pattern turns back toward the north, which some indications try and do. Enjoy the sunshine if you are heading out during this week. All your local details, as always, can be found every day on our website. That is your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.